It's easy to convert between degrees and radians. All you have to remember is that 180 degrees is the same thing as pi radians. So pi divided by 180 degrees is equivalent to 1. So is 180 degrees divided by pi. So let's say that we have an angle of 45 degrees, and I want to convert it to radians. Since I have a degree symbol, I need to get rid of it to make it into radians. So I'm going to have to divide by 180 degrees, and 180 degrees is equivalent to pi. So I'm taking my 45 degrees and multiplying it by something that is actually equal to 1. So I'm not changing the amount of the angle, just changing the units in which it's measured. Notice the degrees downstairs will cancel the degrees upstairs. So I'm going to have pi times 45 over 180. And then I can just reduce. I can see that 9 goes into the top 5 times, and 9 will go into 180 20 times. Also, 5 will go into 5 once and into 24 times, so I'm left with pi over 4 radians. Let's do another example. We've got 66 degrees. I'm going to take 66 degrees. I want to convert that into radians. So I'll take 180 degrees for pi. So notice, because I have degree symbols, I want to be dividing by 180 degrees, so the degrees will cancel. So that's going to give me 66 pi over 180. And then I should just try to reduce my fraction. I can see that 3 goes into both of these. 3 will go into 66 22 times, and 3 will go into 180 60 times. And 2 goes into both of these, right? 2 goes into 22 11 times, and into 60 30 times. So I've got an angle of 11 pi over 30 radians. Here's another one. So 77.39 degrees. I need to multiply by pi over 180. That's going to be 77.39 over pi over 180. Oh, notice that was degrees, so these degree symbols cancel. So now we have this dimensionless quantity in radians. As far as a fraction goes, 7739 over times pi, you can multiply top and bottom by 100. So that would be over 18,000. But they just want us to get a decimal answer in radians. So let's just plug that into Excel or into our calculator to see what value we get. So just need to do 7739 times pi, all divided by 18,000, would give us a radian measure of 1.35071 radians. Now, where is 1.35071 radians? Oh, to the nearest thousandth, that would be 1.351, right? So let's say the answer is 1.351. Let's think if that makes sense. All the way around the circle is 2 pi, so halfway around is pi. That's about 3.14. If you cut that in half, you'd have 1.57. And we have 1.351, which is a little less than 1.57. And that seems reasonable because I know 77 degrees is an angle between 0 and 90.